Everyone, this week's treadmill class about to begin. So let's go ahead and do our usual warm-up, which is base pace, which conversation pace. And we're going to give you a full 5 minutes here to ease in. You want to walk a minute or two, that's fine. A total of a 5-minute warm-up. So I'll go ahead and start the clock and rev the treadmill up. It's usually, everybody's base pace is different. Like mine is like 6.0. Some people, it's 4.5 to 5. Whatever you can do and converse at the same time. So we're going to be here for 5 minutes. Today we're going to do some longer sets, longer intervals, I mean. We're right at the 2-minute mark. We got 3 more minutes to loosen everything up. And today's workout, we're going to keep it at 1% on the incline. So we got about 3 minutes in. So let's go ahead and raise it up to 1%. And we're just going to keep it there for the whole workout, even through the recovery. So this is your new zero incline for the class. It's going to stay at 1% till we're done. You'll notice it at the beginning, but as class goes on, you'll forget about it. We're not going to touch the incline for the rest of the class. It's just going to stay right at 1%. All right, we're about 1 more minute. So our first interval is going to be base pace plus 1.0. So you're going to go up 1 mile an hour, and we're going to hold that there for 3 minutes. Then I'm going to give you a recovery of 1 minute at base pace. And then we're going to go to a 1 minute interval, all out effort at 2.0 to 2.5. You choose. I'll suggest 2.0. If you feel you can go a minute at 2.5, go ahead and do that. That's called like an all-out effort. So those of you that can run faster than that for a minute, go ahead if it's 3.0. So we'll say between the range of 2.0 to 3.0 is what you're going to do. And then I'm going to give you a minute base pace, minute walk, and then we're going to go on to something else. All right, and we are starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Raise your base pace up by 1.0, 1 mile an hour. We're going to be here for 3 minutes. Okay, we're coming up on that 1 minute mark. 2 to go. One more minute to go. You got 15 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, base pace, 1 minute. So very, very short recovery. Then we're going to go to that 2.0 to 3.0 push all out pace for just 1 minute. Phone ring. You got 30 more seconds of recovery. All right, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Add 2.0 to base pace or up to 3.0. You choose that 2 to 3 miles per hour faster for 1 minute. Hang on, you got about 10 more seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring it down to base pace. I want you to hold it here for 1 minute. So it'll take probably about 30 seconds for your heart rate to come down. Then it will stabilize in the next 30 seconds. Then I'm going to give you even more time to recover before we start this next interval set. All right, you have 30 more seconds of recovery. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I want you to bring it down to a power walk for 1 minute. So that's going to be anywhere from 3.0 to 4.0. Then we'll move on to the next interval set. I want you to be fully recovered before we start back up. When we start back up, I'm going to give you 1 minute at base pace just to get your running legs back, and then we'll move on to the next set. All right, let's go ahead and take it to base pace. You're still at 1%. All right, the next sequence we're going to do it 5 times. So you're going to go 1.0 above base, 2.0 above base pace. But we're shortening those increments up. So it's going to be 30 seconds, recovery at base pace, 30 seconds. We're going to repeat that 5 times. All right, so your heart rate's going to climb steadily. 30 seconds, it's just going to barely start recovering, and then we're going to zap it again. So we're going to get that accumulated stress over 5 groupings. All right, so that last one's going to feel much more difficult than the first set that we had. All right, each one of these groupings is 90 seconds. We're going to do it 5 times. All right, and coming up on group 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 at 1.0 to speed. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 at 2.0 to speed. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, base pace for 30 seconds, and then we'll move on to the next set. We have 4 more to go. Base pace at 1%. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, add 1.0 to speed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Add 2.0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And base pace, 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Grouping 3. Add 1.0 to base pace. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to 2.0 above base pace. So you're just adding another 1.0 to speed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and recover. 2 more sets to go. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Add 1.0 to speed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Add another 1.0. You're 2.0 above base. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Base pace. 1 more to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Add 1.0 to speed. 5, 4, 3, 2. Add another 1.0. You're 2.0 above base. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and base pace. I'm going to give you 2 minutes at base pace. We have one more short little interval set we'll get through before we do our Everest walking drill. Base pace still at 1%. All right, let's go for one more minute at base pace. Then we will reduce it down to 1 minute of power walking, and then we'll move into the last little set that we have. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's take it down to a power walk for 1 minute. Fully recover. Then we'll be at 1 minute of base pace, and then we'll go into our last short little 3 minute of speed interval. So we're going to go into power mode. Power, like Marvel cartoon character speed, Flash Gordon speed. So we're going to go 3.0 above base, but we're only going to do that for 20 seconds. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to get it up to speed, hold it 20 seconds, and then the rest of the minute will be recovery at a real easy pace, base pace or less. We're going to do that 3 times. So we're going to get our legs moving in a little faster than what we've been doing. All right, let's go ahead and take it up to base pace. We're going to be here at 1 minute. Still at 1%. If you cannot hit 3.0, let's try 2.5. But if you can go 3.0 for, 15, 20 seconds, hold it there. Just imagine you're at a track and you're sprinting the straightaway of the track and then recovering on the curved side of the track. And we're just going to do that 3 times. All right, we're almost there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, add 3.0 to speed. We'll give 5 seconds to rev it up, rev it up. All right, 20 seconds. Ten to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, base pace. 1 down. All right, rep number 2 coming up. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 3.0 above base. Interval starts in 3, 2, 20 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, and base pace. One more to go. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Add 3.0 to speed. Interval starts in 2, 1. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and base pace. Let's take it down to 0% incline. 1 minute here, and then I'm going to give you a minute to power walk, and then we're going to do 1 minute at each level for Everest, which is 10, 12.5, and 15%. We're going to do these at a fast walking pace or walking pace. Doesn't have to be fast. Just walking an incline like that will get your heart rate up. I like doing this because it kind of works the muscles in a different way than what you've been doing for the last 30 minutes. So it's a good way to just kind of confuse them a little bit. All right, 10 more seconds here. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's take it down to 3.0 to 3.5. 1 minute. Stiff neck. Oh. All right, let's go ahead and start. So I want you to bring your treadmill up to 10%, and we'll start the interval in 10 seconds. Give it a few seconds to give up to 10. All right, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are power walking at 3.0 at 10% for 1 minute. Do not grab the treadmill in any way. Your arms are pumping at your side. I always say, imagine like you're hiking up a steep hill or mountain. There's nothing in front of you that you can grab, unless it's so steep you need to grab a tree branch or something, but we're not that steep. So there's no grabbing in front of you to help you walk up the hill. 30 more seconds at this interval, this level. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to 12.5. 30 seconds left. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up to 15%. We're in the last minute, guys. 1 minute. Thirty seconds. Three, 2, 1. Bring it down to 0%. You can lower that speed if you need to go lower, because right now it's all about recovering, getting your heart rate back down. We went about 32 minutes this week for treadmill class. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and I will see you next week. All right, see you guys later. Bye-bye.